Hey everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be working on a new app. And this app is going to be coming out soon. Just kidding, I don't know if it's going to come out, but sorry if you would hear a lot of shaking. I'm not using my mic this time because it kind of cuts out a little. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So now we're going to need to just make something div. I'm gonna try not to explain too much anymore because I want you guys to. I hope you guys know some. We're gonna name this bar. It's going to be kind of a little basic app. We're going to call it T-bar for the ID. Basically, we can define this in like CSS, and we don't want to type anything in it. We don't want to put anything in it. So now let's do you do style, and not like that. Style, and this is our CSS. I've never done CSS with you guys, but I have a separate tutorial for CSS and JavaScript and stuff. But so for IDs, you do a hashtag. For classes, you do a dot. So we'll do hashtag T-bar. And then we're going to do width, and you're going to do this and this. This is defining it. So we're going to make this 100%. We're going to make height can be like pixels. So we have 5. I don't know if we can actually see it yet, so we should probably define it. But probably because we don't have height on. But let's also do background, color. Let's just do red for now. And if we look at this, there we go. Let's make this a bit bigger, 103%, and about 15 pixels maybe. Is that good enough? I think it is. And then now you can see there's a little white on this left side. Well, fix that. We're going to do something called margin. Margin's like a spacing, which can do a margin. Top, it's going to push it down. Margin bottom will push it up. If it's left, which will push it right, and right will push it up. It's like if you have a 5 pixel margin on the left, it's going to push it 5 pixels to the right, and there's just going to be an empty space there, but nothing can go there because it's still technically filled. So we're going to do margin dash right. I can spell it right. Like 5 pixels. I don't want to do that. Let's just make sure this does work. 200 pixels. What will this do? Alright. What if I do negative 200? I'm just testing out. We have to do margin dash left. Alright, yeah, I forgot. There's so do like 5. You can make it negative and positive. Oh no, we want it to be. We want ours to be negative. I'd say 7. Alright, so it's not big enough, as you can see. Let's make it 110 and about an extra 9. Extra 9 pixels. There you go. Now, we have this little bar. Now let's make it a little bit bigger. We want it to make about 30 pixels, maybe. I want to put a button on here. Now, we are going to be able to put stuff in this. So let's let's go ahead and do it. So we're just going to take this right here, and if anyone does have any problems, just comment down below, and I'll surely help you. I'll surely help you get your fix. Now look, we have our button. Now we have this little button. Oh, let's change the color, by the way. What can we do? Just gray. There we go. And we'll make the button with an ID. Just by the way, this will be for settings. So yes, this is going to be a fully fledged out app, and we're going to also make an ID that equals div button. So if we go down here, if we do hashtag DB, we did do DB like that, yeah. We're first going to do color gray. I think that's the outside border color. So we're going to do ground dash color. Cannot spell color right apparently. Gray. And we're going to make the text color gray. So let's go ahead and do text dash color. I mean, not gray. Black. Sorry, I'm not a good typer on phone. Wait, did that not work? I don't exactly know what I did wrong. So I'm kind of a noob with this stuff too, but I forgot it's color. And we're going to make a border of it. And we're going to make a border. You're going to make it black. We'll make it 2 pixels, and we'll make it solid. Now, it doesn't matter what order you do. And we should probably end it off there. And look, we have this nice little button. I don't exactly know why he's doing that, but now we're going to want to do our basic little function. How long have I been recording? 4 minutes. Alright. Nowhere near that long. Wait, not 4 minutes. I don't know, we'll do a little bit more. But as you can see, we have this basic little application that says, well, we can make it, we'll just make it say, settings. Now, this button, I mean, it looks nice, right? But I know how to make it look a bit nicer. With this simple line of code, you want to do, not border dash radius. And we'll do like 6 pixels. Rounds it out. I'm gonna do an easy 10 pixels. And that is my button. We have the background color gray. No, we want that gray, of course. I say we make the background color black. And we make this white. See how good this looks? That looks a lot better. Now, we want a couple other buttons. Now, the thing with ID is they could all have the same ID. Not too bad. But if you want them to have different things, but you don't want to change their ID, you don't want it to keep making one for each ID, you can use something called a class. But I mean, we don't really need one. And this one will be so I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys what we're exactly doing. We are making a basic little coding application. I don't know, but we're gonna have this, which is going to be info, and this is going to say information. No, you cannot get these two little buttons. Now, it's because they're being selected. It's normally not going to do that. And just the app itself. Now, one more thing. I'm going to teach you guys how we can exactly do some building of an APK. If you don't know what an APK is, it's you know when you download something on Google Play, I ask you to install. That's installing an APK. It's how the app basically runs. It's like it's the app code in HTML and Java, which is some coding that we're not going to really learn anytime soon. I might have an episode for it. I don't know. Definitely gonna. I know very little of it. So I guess we could just make sure all our buttons are still on. Yeah. It says it still works equally as good. Now, this. No. You could also say hi and like that, and then you could. I know in some applications you can do this. You know, when you say hi at the top, like in I don't know what language it was, but you could say hi and it would say hi, but because this one, I don't think this guy would do it. But there might be a way to do this. So if we just do title and we make it say hi. Let's see how this works. Okay, it still says file says yeah. Well, I hope you did all enjoy this video. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in your next video. Bye!